So we got in a 2012 Ford F-150 XLT 5.0 liter V8, and it's got a Borla attack system, which everybody's like, oh, Borla attack, Borla attack. We'll let you guys hear it because we're gonna cut it off and put a straight pipe in its place. Go ahead. So with the Borla attack, the sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 109. We're gonna let you guys hear it after we put a Y pipe on it instead of the Borla attack muffler. We'll let you guys hear it after. So I showed you what it sounds like. This is what it looks like. Look at this gigantic Borla attack muffler. Too quiet. We don't like it. But what are we gonna do? We're gonna chop it off and put a Y pipe in its place because we don't like mufflers here. We like it loud. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Which one sounds better, before or after? There's the Borla system right there. Goes down the bottom and right there. Let you guys hear it. Much better. I think. Now what? Go ahead. 115. Wow, that's awesome. Go ahead and back it up. Much better. So these guys came all the way from Atlanta to us. We really appreciate it. Yeah, man. Nothing beats straight pipe. Hope you guys like it.